Bro, listen up. A guy named Brandon on the Crappy Fire Alarm Facebook page dropped by the house today and he left you a gift, and it's on the front porch right now.
Okay, let's go check it out.
What is it, bro?
It's a Firelight MS4.
What is that?
It's only my first fire alarm control panel.
Well, let's open it up. Let's check it
Okay,
out.
let's do it.
Easy. What is it?
Whoa, there's more things inside.
What is it? Show me.
Looks like a Firelight PG12. There's the inside of it.
What is that?
Looks like a system sensor heat detector.
Okay. What else?
And a EST Genesis HVDM horn. I
Horn.
almost said horn strobe.
Isn't that a horn strobe?
Yeah, there's no strobe.
Oh.
Oh, looks like there's a note inside too.
What's it say?
And the instruction manual.
What's it say?
I don't have the transformer for this, but I know you can order one. Hope this helps, Brandon.
Nice, bro. What do you think, dude?
Thank you, Brandon.